Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing a dedicated journal and committing to it. This builds momentum and habit. Write one clear intention in present tense, specific enough to visualize. Once written, spend 5 minutes adding emotions and sensory detail so your brain encodes the experience. Make sure to date each entry to track progress. You do not need elaborate prose. Concise statements with feeling work best. Starting this way plants the seed and primes you for the next step. Consistent, focused reinforcement. Once you have a daily habit, deepen it by pairing your intention with gratitude and small evidence of progress. This trains your mind to notice opportunities. Write 3 sensory details that describe the desired outcome and a single line noting one sign it's coming true. Make sure to add a practical next action so you stay grounded and active. Every week, revisit and refine wording. Sharper language directs clearer imagination and signals commitment to your subconscious, increasing follow-through and results. You finish each session with a brief 30-second visualization and a confident present tense statement to seal the impression. If nothing seems to shift, troubleshoot by narrowing the intention, cut scope by half, and commit to one tiny action you can do today. Make sure to track wins weekly. Seeing small results sustains motivation. If language feels vague, simplify it until it's concrete. Closing like this creates momentum and gives you clear adjustments when progress stalls, keeping the practice effective.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.